In today's lesson, we're going to look at the vocabulary and some formulas needed when purchasing your own new vehicle. So here's the vocabulary. If you need to pause the video and go ahead and put these into your notebook so you have them, go ahead and do so now. So when you go to purchase a vehicle, you're going to look at the base price of the vehicle. Now, they call this the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Now, this is not the total manufacturer's retail price, but it is what the manufacturer suggests that the price of the car be. Now, that's just the base price of the car before you add on any luxuries or convenience packages to your car. So those fall under the options. So options are any extra equipment like a towing package, or if you want to add a sunroof to your car, if you want to add a convenience package or a luxury package like heated seats, power windows, power seats, that all becomes options. And anytime you add an option onto your vehicle, you're paying more for that vehicle. All right, there's also a destination charge added onto your vehicle. Now, the destination charge is what the manufacturer charges to get that vehicle to the lot so that you can buy it. So yeah, you're paying for that price. So when you drive down the highway and you see one of those big trucks carrying all those brand new cars, you're paying for that transportation of that vehicle to the lot. All right, and then you'll look at the sticker price. So the sticker price is actually the total MSRP. This is what the manufacturer actually wants you to pay for the vehicle. Now remember, that's a suggested price, so that's where you negotiate costs, and there is room for wiggle. So I never suggest paying that full sticker price for the vehicle because you can do some negotiation and bring those charges down. So let's look at our formula. So to get that total sticker price today, you'll take the base price, add on all of your options, add on all of your destination charge. Now, in addition to that, there are other fees. There's your tax and title fees that you'll have to pay. But we're strictly talking about, for now, the sticker price. We'll talk about all those fees later. All right, so this is an example of what the sticker looks like when you buy a new vehicle. So what it's going to show you is over here, it's going to show you all of your standard equipment that comes with the vehicle. It'll even show you the mileage rate that it gets around the city when you're doing lots of stops, or on the highway where you're going at a faster rate and you're not making a lot of stops. It gives you a little estimate of what you'll pay for fuel for the year with this vehicle. When you come over here, this is where you're going to look at all of the costs. So you can see that they have the manufactured suggested retail price here. Now that's the base price. Then they're going to add on optional equipment. So they added on a security package. They added on some wheel packages. They have a comfort package for $1,385. So those are things like your heated seats, your air conditioned seats, things that make it more comfortable for your vehicle. Then you can see that there's a destination and delivery charge for $850, taking your total MSRP to $35,080. Now again, that's your suggested price. That's where you try to negotiate that price down. Now from there, remember that you still have to add on your registrations, your license fees for your license plate, and your taxes. So that's not even the bottom line. That's what you pay before those extra fees. All right, so let's look at our first example. So at River City Autos, it has a pickup truck for sale. It has a base price of $22,225, and it has different options: a 6-speed transmission, a cruise control, a trailer towing package, and power windows. It has a destination charge of $900, and we want to find the sticker price. So the sticker price is just simply to take that base price and add in all of your options. $2,908. Cruise control for $240. What do we have? A trailer towing package for $230. I'm going to roll down here. Windows, it's $738 for the power windows, and the destination charge of $900. That's going to take that total sticker price, or that total MSRP, to include everything, to be $27,241. So again, this was the base price. These were all of our options and our destination charge. Gives us a total cost of $27,241. Pretty simple. So let's look at our second example. And as Coble Downtown is selling a Sport Coupe Hybrid at a base price of $24,990. Options are the convenient package for $1,300, a sunroof, and a sunroof wind deflector. That's that little piece of plastic you'll see at the top of vehicles for $100. The destination charge for this vehicle was $625. Find the sticker price. So the sticker price is going to be our base price again, and we're going to add in all of our options. Not to forget that destination charge of $625, and that's going to bring our sticker price to be $27,865. Again, we still have to add our registration, our license fees, and our taxes onto that. Now let's look at our last example. These are the concept checks right out of your book if you want to look in there. It says Nyan purchases a compact vehicle with an MSRP of $17,980. Now that is including the destination charge and the title fees. He selects a 6-way power front passenger seat, which costs 10 times the amount of the remote keyless entry. The cost of the vehicle, including 7% sales tax, is $19,591.70. Find the cost of the power front passenger seat and the remote keyless entry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let K be the cost of the keyless entry, because we don't know the keyless entry, but we do know that the cost of the passenger seat is 10 times that amount. So we can calculate that later. Now we're going to start with a total charge of $19,591.70. We'll start with that. We're going to take that MSRP and we're going to add to it the cost of the keyless entry plus 10 times the cost of the keyless entry for the passenger seat. Now what we'll have to do to this is we're going to have to add on tax to this. So I'm going to add that, or multiply 1.07, so it adds on the tax automatically. You'll remember that shortcut from when we learned how to calculate taxes. So this is our formula, and we're going to solve for K. So let's start by simplifying that K to be 11K times 1.07 is $19,591.70. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this times 1.07, and I'm going to divide both sides by 1.07. So when I do that, I get $18,310 is equal to 17,980 plus 11K. I'll go ahead and subtract that 17,980. I'll undo my addition, and that's going to leave me with 330 is equal to 11K. So my last step will be to divide by 11, and that's going to find me that K, the cost of the keyless entry, is going to be $30. So if the passenger seat is 10 times that, then what I'm going to do is multiply 30 times 10, and that's going to be $300. And the $300 will be the cost of the passenger seat. So you can see that there will be a little bit of an algebra component. So you're just going to set up your total charges with everything that gets added together. And sometimes they'll ask you to add in that tax and sometimes they won't. Go ahead and practice the problems and let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great day.